Having no change on you is not a problem anymore if you're an mPay user. First, on your phone, enter the merchant's number shown on the mPay sticker, and then simply call it. On the phone's display, you then see the transaction details and the prompt to accept it. Enter your personal PIN to confirm the transaction. Presto! The vending machine shows the amount of credit, and you can now choose the desired item. The transaction is concluded once you've taken the item. You then get a receipt by SMS confirming the amount of the transaction.